Boom! What's up, guys? Sorry, it's been a while. I've been really busy with work and working on my vision and my dreams, becoming a professional speaker. So I haven't really had a time to drop any YouTube videos. So I really apologize for that. But I've been working out, consistently and everything. So everything else besides that, it's all good. So today, I want to talk about my training regimen, right? A lot of people want to ask me, hey Charlie, how do you have so much energy, right? You're like a cracked out gym rat in the gym. The way I train is very non-philosophical, meaning I go full body, right? I go full body 6 days a week, hard. And for that approach, I think it's hard to start that way because your body is gonna be used to it. And first of all, fuck this bro science community saying, oh, you can't train two body parts 2 days in a row because you're gonna overtrain, blah 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 blah, all that bullshit, right? Don't ignore that, guys. Don't pay attention to that shit unless you're like Arnold or Phil Heath or those bodybuilders training at 100% or all of your intensity, training for 5-6 hours a day. Then you'll be fine, right? I trained full body at first. It was really hard because I was getting sore, but like I said, I think working out is 90% mental, 10% physical. If you, this is what I always say, if your mind can conceive it, your body can achieve it, right? You guys can be anything out there you guys want to be. You just gotta believe in it, right? Believe in yourself and believe in the vision that you have for your life and believe in the direction you're going, right? And the way I train body, the way I train full body is I also don't take any rest, right? I think rest is, well, ideally you should take a rest, but I work out for different goals. We all have different goals for working out. The way I work out is for energy, right? I want to always be in a peak, I'll call it a peak state, right? I always have a bunch of energy to go throughout the day to do my tasks, right? To go out the day and just, beat the shit out of whatever obstacles I gotta go attack, right? Also with full body, I usually just start with legs, then I do shoulders, back, chest, and then rear delts. And like I said, I've been doing that for a while now, and now I don't really get that much sore anymore, right? And I always try to bump up the intensity because I think more than anything, intensity is the most important. If you train hard, like just go in the gym and just ignore everyone else and just be off your phone, go in there and fucking hit it hard, you're gonna get results, right? Eventually the results will come. It just all depends on how fast you want to get it. The harder you work, the faster you can get it. Sorry for the spinning, guys. I still get too excited when I make these videos. Anyways, aside from training too, I think that, like I said, it's for me, it's really a mental game, right? If you go and say you hit 5 reps, right? And you hit 5 and you stop. In that moment, you shortchange yourself because you could have done 1 or 2 more. So when you push past that barrier, when you push past the brink of failure, you're gonna feel so great, right? You get that fucking natural high. I always tell people I'm addicted to the gym. The gym is my drug, right? I don't need no other drug. The gym is my drug. I get so addicted to that natural high. I'm always searching for that natural high. That feeling that, oh my God, I can't believe I couldn't do it, and I did it, Fuck yeah, I'm fucking unstoppable, right? That natural high will carry you through the rest of the workout. Even after that first set, you're dead and tired. You're like, man, I'm tired, but I did 7 instead of 5. That's the little kid of you coming out, right? That's your dreams and ambitions coming out. So I'm telling you guys, do not shortchange yourself in the gym. Just aside from training regimen, I just think intensity is the most important. And like I said, we all have different goals, things like that. So, and also too, a lot of people ask me, why do I train, right? What's my partner? Who's my partner in the gym? I only have one partner, guys, and this should be your partner too. It's belief, right? Belief is the most powerful partner you can have in the gym. Not your friends, your family, your loved ones, whoever else trains you in the gym, right? Belief has to be the reason why you go into the gym. The belief in yourself, the belief you have in the direction you're going in your life, the belief that one day you're gonna achieve that vision, the belief that you're gonna leave a legacy for footprints for other people to follow, right? You have to train for that belief. And I'm always in the gym because I have such a fucking strong belief in myself, right? That my belief is so fucking strong that I've hit so many walls. I've been through so much adversity. I've been through pain. I've been homeless. I've dealt with so many negative things. My mom kicked me out. All the negative shit happened, right? But it didn't matter because the belief in myself was so strong. I was overcome all that. And that's why I go in the gym, guys. I train for one thing, belief. That's it. I don't train for no one else. I don't train to look good, to impress other people when I'm outside, to you know, to get some ass or whatever like that. You know, there's some people that do this, okay? Say you're a dude, right? I'm not calling you guys out. I'm just calling some people out. You go in the gym, you're like, man, today I'm gonna hit legs. You know, that's my weakest body part, right? And then you see Sally in the gym, right? You see Sally, you're like, well, fuck, I'm doing chest today, you know, I'm doing chest, fuck that, I'm not doing legs, and I'm gonna do this new exercise, you know, that I just invented. Do not do that, guys. Please don't do that, because in that moment, when you do some shit like that, you're gonna destroy your own belief, right? And the real reason why you should train is for yourself. That's your hour of power, guys. That's what I call it, my hour of power. That's my own hour. No one else has a say in the way I train. No one else can disturb that. That's the only time of the day that I give to myself. And it sounds a little bit selfish, but you have to be selfish, right? You like when you go on a plane, right? Do they say put the gas mask on yourself? No. They say put the gas mask on your on your kids. They say put the gas mask on yourself first, because if you don't take care of yourself, you're gonna not take care of anyone else. So I just think the most important thing, aside from training regimen, is do whatever works for you. Training, I love training because it's so ambiguous. It's just like nutrition. That's why I'm studying nutrition. I love that fact that what works for me might not work for someone else, right? Sometimes I'll do this shit too. I'll go in the gym, I'll invent some stupid ass exercise, some upside down shit, and then, I mean, it looks really cool, I know that. And then other people will go and try it, and then they can't do it. They're like, what the fuck? That shit blows my mind, right? Don't follow someone else's training plan. Set your own trend, right? That's my real belief. So I think you can train full body, you can train chest, arms, legs, one body part a day, or you can do supersets, do chest and back, or shoulders and back, right? But the most important thing, guys, is train fucking hard. Train till you can't walk. Learn to love pain, right? Pain is just weakness leaving the body. So you gotta fall in love with pain. And the most important thing, guys, is to train that belief, because that belief will take you to astronomical places in life, right? That belief will take you so far. And there's gonna be times in your lives when you're down and out, when you lose belief in yourself, not when you lose belief in yourself, but when other people are gonna doubt you, right? When people are gonna misunderstand you. That belief in yourself will carry you through those hard times, will push you through those fucking walls, will push down the adversity, will destroy any fears, right? And I always say, guys, to end this video, train for your belief, right? The belief in the person you can believe. That's why my whole channel's vision, or my whole channel's theme, is believe in yourself. And if I can help you guys believe in yourselves, that's awesome, right? But the end of the day, the only person that can do that is yourself. So just make sure that you believe in yourself, all right? Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed my video, all right? See you later, guys. Bye.